In te reo Māori, we have tamariki, which means small spark of light, pure, divine, chiefly being to be imprinted on. And in English, we have children, which means offspring, and that there's more than one child. So if you can process that and still decide that te reo Māori has no value, the language isn't the problem. Tēnā tātou ko Hana, tēnei. Hey everyone, it's Hana, and today I just wanted to add some kōrero to the conversation going around about making te reo Māori compulsory here in Aotearoa. I'm still conflicted, I don't know, and this is one of the reasons why. When you learn te reo Māori, you don't just learn the words or the sentence structure, the grammar, the vernacular. You learn the worldview, or you get an insight into the worldview. That's what the language allows for. Because each sound or each syllable, each word has a whakapapa, it has an origin story. And in that whakapapa, it shows the connection to other words or to our atua, to our tupuna, to the environment. And so it's near impossible to learn the language without learning everything that comes with it. The waiata, haka, whakapapa, karakia, myths and legends and everything. The language is the vehicle, or it's the gateway to understanding the worldview that we have as Māori. And here's an example. Tamariki has been translated to mean children in English. And the backstory for children is it's a plural of child and it means offspring. But in te reo Māori, one definition could be tama, an abbreviation for tamanuitira, the atua and personification of the sun, and riki, meaning small, so small spark of light. Another definition is tā, means to imprint or be imprinted on, ma means pure, riki, an abbreviation for ariki, which means divine, chiefly and godly. So an imprint of pure chiefliness, right? Tamariki. And in English we have children, which means offspring, and that there's more than one child. So if you can process that and still decide that te reo Māori has no value, the language isn't the problem. And I think with a little bit of reflection, you'll soon find what that is. Because if you have the opportunity to take on a worldview that allows you to view tamariki, or children, as small sparks of light, as pure, chiefly divine, godly, if you have that opportunity and you still decide that te reo Māori is not for you, the language isn't the problem. But I think we already knew that. With learning the language, with speaking it, with understanding, with conversing in te reo Māori, and having access to that worldview, it comes with responsibility. And if you're not up for it, like, that's all good, that's on you. But I think it's obvious that te reo Māori has value, and if you can't see it, you're not really